Hi everyone! Today I am sharing with you a plum cream cheesecake recipe. It's a wonderfully juicy, creamy and soft. A perfect for tea time treat. So let's get started. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Next, prepare about 8 ounces of plums. Wash, dry and slice them. And set aside. For the dry ingredients, mix together 1½ cup of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of vanilla flavoring and pinch of salt. In a mixing bowl, combine 1½ cup of cream cheese, 2/3 cup of white granulated sugar, and 3 medium eggs. Beat on high speed until smooth and well combined. Then add ½ cup of cooled melted unsalted butter and mix for about 1 minute until fully incorporated. Gradually add the dry ingredients and mix everything is well combined. I am using an 8-inch cake pan greased and dusted with flour and lined with parchment paper. Put the butter into the prepared cake pan. Arrange the sliced plums on top. Bake in preheated oven for about 45 to 50 minutes or until the thicken settled into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let the cake cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Then transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. After the cake has cooled, dust it with powdered sugar. And that's it, your plum cream cheesecake is ready to serve and enjoy. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.